Server virtualization. What is the server virtualization product that you are aware of? Server virtualization product.
ES6.
Hyper-V, then from VMware. No, it's vSphere. You have to
ES6.
say vSphere. That's what we learned, right? For 2 months, 3 months. That should be your answer. Desktop virtualization. PDI. Now it is Horizon View. These latest names you should remember. Like it's old one. Like PDI is old name. Horizon View. This one Citrix. Storage
vSAN.
vSAN. Okay, mainly that is storage. What is vSphere? He has mentioned. Use of tools. It will improve the performance of a virtual machine. Why we need VMware tools? It will improve the performance of a virtual machine. Just twice and it is better. This is enough. Okay. He collected so much details. That's how like he was able to clear any interview. Like whatever the interview he is attending, he is able to clear himself. Okay. He was besides that. Yeah, I just shared the audio files. From that audio files, question and answers he only prepared, and definitely this is I did not answer in, during the interviews. He would have collected from additional sources like Google, whatever Google sources only. So vCenter, yes we have right. This much info is enough. This we have discussed right. 6 1. That is vCenter. And here I'm giving like not even half of the information he has written. Right? If you see, just for VMware tools, this much he has prepared. I'm trying to simplify as much as possible. Just single line I'm giving. Okay. So at least from this question and answers, if you learn, you can also clear interviews. Take provision on lazy zero and eager zero. That's too much info to see. Like so much information. I'll give you some short information for that. Hypervisor, you don't need to give this much. DRS will not work. HA will work because the management agents will be failure detection will be happening over management network and data store heartbeat. FDM, fault domain management. This was older version. AM. VPXA. This may be what is impact of must rules in HA and DRS. VPM is not required. It will try to decide whether VMs to put on different host or not. Okay. Much is enough. Must rule and should rule. If you say must, in case of rule conflict also, it will allow to migrate VMs. If it is must, it will not allow. Should at least it will allow. Yeah, so we will resource pool also. You should include resource pool also. Affinity and anti-affinity rules will be deleted, and also resource pool will be deleted. That's fine. Okay, while performing V motion, it failed at 10% or 20%. Yeah, this is important. What happens if V motion fails? Nothing, like no impact on the VM. VM will be running as usual on the source host. Then you find the reason for it and fix it. And we do, this is covered. Here is the cross vCenter requirements. Okay, these cross vCenter requirements should be satisfied for data center to data center vMotion. If you connect to host directly, can we clone? No. Why VM will show as orphan? This we'll discuss during troubleshooting. So cloning is a vCenter level feature. That's why you cannot perform from. They may ask like this or without vCenter. Answer is no RS. There is no vCenter. Is it possible to clone?
No.
No. Clone is a vCenter level feature. If you directly connect to the host, you cannot find clone option. That's what it refers to everything. I find that we'll see during troubleshooting. Yeah, this is important that we have discussed during VDS to DVS, DVS to VSS to DVS, DVS to VDS. Sorry, VSS migration, hardware version, VM version. This purpose of maintenance mode. This person who prepared this was working for around 9,000 for 3 years. Okay, now he is earning like almost 8 lakhs per annum. He just started, like not even 1 year. If he jumps now again, he will learn good. Just 1 year he is trying to learn the real-time task. If he change from that company, he will get again good hike. This, okay, so I think those are the major questions. But he did not cover even one day, not even 10 questions. I think mostly we discussed them already. One or two we skipped for like R5 and all. You also try to collect questions, like apart from this list, if you have any questions, we can discuss them as well. Okay. If I am thinking, I'll be thinking one way of one point of view only, right? You will be also try to collect whatever the questions you have heard. We can discuss just the questions. Wait a moment, like, okay, what are the features in VMware tool? Nothing, just drivers. VMware tools will have drivers and it gives the performance, better performance. It depends అది ఎన్ని రోజులకు ఒకసారి అంటారు ఆ సర్వర్లో ఉన్న అప్లికేషన్ అవసరం లేదు అనుకుంటే డీకమిషన్ చేస్తారు. తెలిసిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏమన్నా ఇది జస్ట్ డిస్కస్.
పని చేస్తాం కొన్ని డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం ఈరోజు అన్నీ జరిగినాయి కదా టాపిక్స్ అన్నీ కంప్లీట్ అయినాయి చూద్దాము మీకు డౌట్ ఉంటే అయినా తర్వాత ప్రిపేర్ చేసి పోస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తాను.
నేనే ఏదో టాపిక్ చూస్ చేసుకొని చెప్తాను.
Venkat, that we'll discuss on troubleshooting class, okay? Gopal, if you are in class, you can leave it now. Okay, just we'll discuss about just cluster features today. I think you are in. మీరు చూసుకోండి క్లస్టర్ ఫీచర్స్ ఒకసారి అన్నీ మొత్తం దాంతో కూడా Josna, can you tell me about how many types of cluster features? Hello.
HA and DRS.
Only two.
FT.
Sorry?
HA,
Yeah, just tell
DRS,
me.
F,
Yeah?
HA, DRS, FT.
Hmm.
FT is VM level.
FT.
FT is VM level feature.
Can tell anyone cluster feature? Just can you open the book and see and tell me? No issues.